Hello, this is Johnny B. Bell, 661 John F. K. Page again. I just wanted to stop into the dealership here where I get my bike serviced and wish the employees a happy holiday and create a little rapport, create more rapport and keep the rapport up to get good friendly service every time I come in here, and kind of boosts the confidence, I guess, and trying to build a cohesive family here too with the hog chapter 2. Anyway, happy holidays, happy Memorial Day to, not Memorial Day, yeah, I think Labor Day. Well, anyway, happy holidays. Have a good one. Lazarus. This is the extension of the video I did earlier. Happy Labor Day. Shit for brains, I say shit for brains. But anyway, have a good one. That's about it.